Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Celsius symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the Celsius degree symbol in Google Docs mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, open the document. I just going to insert the degree symbol. So you just need to click on this plus symbol. I just going to show there is no insert symbol option here. So instead of that, I just using my Google keyboard. So you can use your own keyboard, and it is not there. We just use Google keyboard. So here just first of all, you just need to click on this cap C and click on this option. Then you just need to change this like this. Then you can see this is the degree symbol. So you can just see, you can just hold it and you can put the degree symbol like this. And now you can see the Celsius degree has been ready. And now you can just copy and paste wherever you want. Paste here like that. And you can just copy and paste and how many times that you want. It's easy to make the degree Celsius symbol on your Google Docs mobile application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and we will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.